beautiful handcrafted wooden home decor to elevate your space. What has always been a fundamental part of home decor, bringing warmth, character, and a sense of nature into any living space. Unlike mass-produced furniture and decorations, handcrafted wooden decor carries a unique charm that reflects the artistry and dedication of skilled craftsmen. Every piece tells a story, whether a rustic wooden wall hanging, a finely carved sculpture, or a custom-made wooden lamp. In this video, we'll explore how handcrafted wooden decor can elevate your space, creating an atmosphere of elegance, coziness, and timeless beauty. One of the most captivating aspects of handcrafted wooden decor is its individuality. No two pieces are ever truly identical, thanks to the natural grain of the wood and the hands of the artisan shaping it. Unlike factory-made decor, which is often uniform and predictable, handcrafted wooden pieces have slight imperfections that add character and depth. The grain patterns, knots, and variations in color make each piece a one-of-a-kind work of art. Whether you choose a carved wooden bowl, a hand-turned vase, or a reclaimed wood wall panel, you're adding a unique and personal touch to your home. Another reason wooden decor stands out is its ability to fit into almost any interior design style. Whether your home has a modern, minimalist aesthetic or a cozy, farmhouse-inspired look, there's a handcrafted wooden decor piece that will complement it perfectly. In modern interiors, sleek wooden shelves, geometric wooden sculptures, or minimalist wooden clocks can bring a touch of warmth to otherwise clean and contemporary spaces. In rustic or bohemian settings, live-edge wooden furniture, hand-carved wall art, and vintage wooden signs create a welcoming natural ambience. The versatility of wood makes it one of the most adaptable materials for decorating any home. When it comes to decorating with wood, sustainability is an important factor to consider. Many artisans focus on using responsibly sourced, reclaimed, or upcycled wood, ensuring that their creations are not only beautiful, but also environmentally friendly. By choosing handcrafted wooden decor made from reclaimed wood, you're not only reducing waste, but also adding a sense of history to your home. Every mark, dent, or groove in reclaimed wood tells a story, whether it comes from an old barn, a fallen tree, or a vintage furniture piece repurposed into something new. This sustainability aspect makes handcrafted wooden decor even more meaningful, knowing that your choice contributes to a more eco-conscious lifestyle. Handcrafted wooden wall art is another way to enhance your living space. Whether it's a detailed carving, a laser-cut wood mandala, or a 3D layered wooden shadow box, wall decor made of wood adds depth and warmth to blank walls. Some pieces incorporate different types of wood to create contrast, while others feature intricate engravings that tell a story or display cultural motifs. The natural tones of wood also blend seamlessly with different color palettes, making wooden wall art a timeless addition to any home. Aside from aesthetics, handcrafted wooden decor also plays a functional role. Think about the elegance of a wooden spice rack in the kitchen, the charm of a handcrafted wooden tissue box in the living room, or the practicality of a well-made wooden jewelry organizer. These items are not just visually appealing, but also serve a purpose in everyday life. Handcrafted wooden lamps, for example, create a soft and inviting glow, adding to the overall ambience of a space. Wooden coasters, trays, and candle holders are small but impactful decor elements that make a home feel warm and inviting. The artistry of hand-carved wooden sculptures is something truly remarkable. Skilled artisans can transform blocks of wood into intricate figures, abstract designs, or even realistic representations of animals, people, or landscapes. Whether displayed on a mantel, a coffee table, or a bookshelf, these sculptures become focal points that draw attention and admiration. Some artists specialize in relief carvings, with panels that feature intricate designs carved into the surface, creating stunning visual effects that capture light and shadow beautifully. Another beautiful way to incorporate handcrafted wooden decor into your home is through custom furniture. A handcrafted wooden dining table, for instance, is more than just a piece of furniture. It's a gathering place for family and friends, a centerpiece of shared memories. Custom wooden headboards, bookshelves, or benches can be designed to match your personal taste, ensuring that your home reflects your style in the most authentic way. These pieces not only add aesthetic value but also become cherished heirlooms passed down through generations. Live-edge wooden decor is a trend that continues to gain popularity for its raw, organic beauty. Unlike polished, perfectly shaped furniture, live-edge pieces retain the natural edge of the wood, showcasing its raw and unfinished look. This style embraces imperfections, knots, and uneven textures, making each piece unique. A live-edge wooden coffee table, for example, brings a sense of nature indoors, creating a stunning contrast against modern decor. Whether used for dining tables, shelving, or countertops, live-edge wood pieces celebrate the beauty of nature in its purest form. For those who love do-it-yourself projects, handcrafted wooden decor also offers the joy of creativity. Many artisans and craft enthusiasts enjoy making their own wooden decorations, from simple hand-painted wooden signs to complex marquetry, an art form where pieces of different woods are inlaid to create patterns or images. Woodburning, also known as pyrography, is another fascinating technique where intricate designs are etched onto wooden surfaces using heat. The possibilities for crafting with wood are endless, allowing for personal expression and a deeper appreciation of the material. Handcrafted wooden decor also extends to seasonal decorations. Wooden Christmas ornaments, rustic wooden pumpkins for autumn, or carved wooden Easter decorations add a charming, handmade touch to seasonal celebrations. Unlike plastic or mass-produced decorations, wooden decor pieces are durable and timeless, making them perfect for use year after year. They can be passed down as keepsakes, adding sentimental value to family traditions. When choosing handcrafted wooden decor, it's also important to consider finishes and treatments. Some pieces maintain their natural wood color, while others are stained, painted, or treated with oils to enhance their grain and durability. Matte finishes create a soft, natural look, while glossy finishes add a polished, refined touch. The type of wood used also impacts the final appearance. Oak, walnut, mahogany, and teak each have distinct colors and grain patterns that influence the overall aesthetic of the piece. The timeless beauty of handcrafted wooden decor. Wooden decor has a way of creating a sense of warmth and comfort in any space. Whether it's the smooth surface of a carved wooden bowl, the rich texture of a rustic wooden beam, or the detailed patterns of a laser-cut wooden screen, each handcrafted piece tells a story. Unlike mass-produced decor, handcrafted wooden items showcase the skill of the artisan, the uniqueness of the grain, and the natural beauty of the material itself. Every curve, every detail, and every imperfection in the wood adds to its charm, making each piece one of a kind. Wood has a timeless appeal that transcends design trends. It blends seamlessly with any interior style, whether traditional, contemporary, minimalist, or rustic. A beautifully sculpted wooden table can serve as the centerpiece of a dining room, while intricately carved wooden wall art can turn a blank space into a captivating focal point. Even small accents, like wooden candle holders or handcrafted wooden trays, can add a touch of nature's warmth to a home. The versatility of wood allows it to be transformed into functional and artistic decor that enhances everyday living. Beyond aesthetics, handcrafted wooden decor also represents sustainability and craftsmanship. Many artisans source their wood responsibly, using reclaimed or sustainably harvested materials to create stunning pieces that are both beautiful and environmentally friendly. Unlike synthetic materials, wood ages gracefully, developing a rich patina over time. This makes wooden decor not only a design choice, but an investment, one that becomes even more charming and valuable with age. A lasting connection to art and nature. In conclusion, handcrafted wooden home decor is more than just decoration. It's an expression of artistry, craftsmanship, and natural beauty. From functional pieces to intricate sculptures, from modern minimalist designs to rustic vintage charm, wooden decor has the power to transform any space into a place of warmth and elegance. Investing in handcrafted wooden decor is not just about enhancing your home's aesthetic. It's about embracing tradition, sustainability, and the uniqueness of each carefully crafted piece. Whether you choose a single statement piece or fill your home with wooden accents, the timeless appeal of handcrafted wood decor will always bring a sense of beauty and authenticity to your space. It's a reminder of nature's wonders, the creativity of artisans, and the enduring charm of a material that has been cherished for centuries. So, the next time you admire a handcrafted wooden object, take a moment to appreciate the skill, passion, and artistry that went into creating something truly special, something that will add warmth, character, and elegance to your home for years to come.